Okay, on the microgrid here, I'll show you how to day trade the fractals if we don't notice anything on the longer time frames. If you get bored, quite easy. Okay, here we have a decaying fractal top here. Okay, that's top. You put your stop there, and turn will go down. How far will it go down? We don't know until we have another fractal discovery. Okay, what happened here? We have a fractal discovery right here, 7 down. Ideal. All you have to do during the week, wait for this pattern to appear. That's the bottom. Okay, so we have a bottom here. Again, we're on a 5-minute time frame. You have to be experienced to do this. If you want to find the fractals, go to Neil's channel and he'll point them out every day. All right. So we got a bottom here. How far will it go up? We don't know until we find another fractal. Okay. We found another fractal. What do we have here? What do we call that? Let's call it a slider. That is a slider top. Right there. Okay. Now, the slider top is coinciding with another decaying fractal. We found another fractal. Here it is here. A decaying fractal. All right. Now, if we remain the top here, similar to around here, we should trade down. Trade from last night, we picked up 10 points if we held on. I mentioned to remain short, but again, here's a brief lesson of how to day trade the fractals the same way you can do on a daily chart, weekly chart, monthly chart. Okay. Decaying fractal top, a nested growth fractal bottom. We have a decaying slider top here. Okay. Went down. Then it will back up again to the top of the channel. Now we have a decaying fractal here. Okay. This particular fractal, okay, is very similar, almost alike to that 8-hour, 11-hour, 6-hour fractal we were looking at during the morning. Okay, you'll find the fractals appearing all the time on all frames on all markets. Okay, so in a nutshell, all you have to do, you find a picture. Okay, yeah, you got a picture here, picture here, picture here, picture here. How high or how far this will go, we don't know. We go above the channel, we trend higher. We go below the channel, we trend lower. Okay. Short here, put a stop, and adjust it accordingly as we go down. All right. Trading fractals, part 1. I'll put a couple more videos on here, but whatever we do on a 5-minute or 1-minute time frame, as Neil does every day, every hour, every week, all you have to do, find a pattern. If you're not familiar with patterns, stay with the slider. Very, very good. The 7 down, very, very good. This one here, we saw this in the morning on a 6-hour, 10-hour, and I think an 8-hour time frame. I have to look back at the videos. Okay. So again, the fractals keep moving all the time, and all you have to do is find them accordingly and put your tops and bottoms in, kind of guide you along. And what we're doing, we're mapping the market. The market is nonlinear. It doesn't go from A to B, C, D, E, F, 1, 2, 3. It doesn't work that way. Fractals are very complex patterns. All right. You have to recognize them through time and practice. And when you do, all you have to do, look at the monitor and put your parameters in, top and bottom, and do the trade. Hopefully, we'll do more of these here, but today we have a good example. So you picked up 10 points yesterday. If you're trading the 5-minute time frame, very lucrative. Fractals are pretty clear. You get the slider, you get 7 down here, get 7 up here. You got another decaying fractal here. We'll find out what happens at the end. All right, the fractal swing method. Although we remain on a 5-minute time frame, the other time frames I ignored because we have nothing appearing. You go to the time frame where the fractals appear. Okay? Hank Wernicke, signing off.